Can the Xmachine desktop CNC really handle precious carving stones? We're putting peach blossom stone and green serpentine jade to the test. Peach blossom stone, primarily dickite, features a warm texture but is highly brittle and prone to micro cracks. Its natural crimson specks perfectly suit a Chinese opera dame theme. The key challenge is preventing chipping in the stone. We apply shallow cuts, high RPM and climb milling. Simultaneous 5-axis motion enables one-pass machining, minimizing visible tool marks. To prevent stone powder clogging and protect the structure, dry cutting with air cooling is used throughout. Green serpentine jade features a fine texture with excellent toughness, withstanding much higher cutting forces. Intricate mains and inner cavities are machined in a single pass, using 5-axis tilt motion without multi-part assembly. A tight stepover in finishing yields an exceptional surface, requiring only light polishing to reveal a smooth, oily luster. Two materials with different characteristics, both achieving exceptional results. This is the result of machine capability and craftsmanship working together.